looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family? Then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Cherokee Latitude Lux in bright white. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, SELEC-TERRAIN System, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90400A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.